Cross-collateralisation is when one loan is secured by more than one property, often using equity from an existing home to buy another. While it can make borrowing easier up front, it usually reduces flexibility and control. It can increase borrowing power, help you buy sooner or with a smaller deposit, and in some cases, avoid lenders' mortgage insurance. Your properties are tied together. Selling or refinancing one often means the lender reassesses everything, which can delay plans and limit options. If property values fall, accessing equity or switching lenders becomes harder and risk increases. At Kin Financial, we usually recommend standalone security. One loan per property kept completely separate. This means each property can be valued independently, giving you more flexibility when refinancing, selling, or buying your next investment. Cross-collateralisation can work in limited cases, but standalone security often gives borrowers more control. A mortgage broker can help structure your loans to support your long-term goals.